Welcome to the Swissbit booth here at Embedded World 2025. I'm really excited to have you with us today and to dive into the latest trends in memory solutions. So let's get started. Storage solutions are evolving rapidly. The demand for edge computing is driving the need for storage that provides more memory at a higher level of security. Meanwhile, Gen5 SSDs are replacing Gen4 thanks to advances in NAND technology. And with the rise of the Industrial Internet of Things, network machines, devices and sensors are exchanging real-time data to boost efficiency and detect issues early. Customers need storage that's fast, secure, and reliable. And that's exactly what Swissbit delivers. This year, we're excited to showcase some standout products that directly address these trends. Debuting at Embedded World 2025, our e.MMC M1100, a compact, power-efficient memory solution ideal for industrial IoT, PLCs, and automation. A1200, designed for edge computing and AI on the edge. This PCIe Gen4 SSD ensures high write performance and ultra-low latency for industrial PCs. The N3000 family, our high-reliability PCIe Gen4 SSDs with up to 4 TB storage, built for routers, switches, and edge servers that demand extreme durability and security. And to round it up, the D2200 series. It is Swissbit's first PCIe Gen5 SSD that we announced last year, which is great for advanced enterprise server applications. Swissbit is here to support you navigate the best storage innovations for your specific use case. Let's talk about how we can support your needs. Reach out. We're looking forward to getting in touch.